Welcome to the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. The Traverse is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and mated up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Traverse here, we do have the power windows, locks, and mirrors, automatic headlights on your steering wheel, cruise control, only 8 kilometers on the vehicle, brand new. Push button ignition, we have a nice large touchscreen here, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as climate control. Dual zone climate control here. Look at the automatic shifter knob, electronic parking brake, and your 4-wheel drive system with traction control. The vehicle has all black interior with our cloth seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Traverse here, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, Bridgestone all-season tires, color-matched door handles with keyless entry. Coming to the front of the Traverse, LED daytime running lamps, blacked out Chevrolet bow tie, halogen light bulbs. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows. We have our LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips, as well as your backup camera, and again, your black Chevrolet bow tie. Taking a quick look at the interior here, we have the bench second row, a cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. We have our rear climate control with USB ports. The seats fold down as well, and they are on rails, so they do slide forward, giving you access to your third row, a 60/40 cloth split as well. 8-passenger people mover. Over top we got dome lighting and a solid roof. Tons of cabin room. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.